In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Adobe Photoshop app. By updating your Adobe Photoshop app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to use the latest version of this app, as well as fix any bugs or security related issues. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so to update this app, all you need to do is to go ahead and search for this app through Google Play Store or App Store. In my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and search for it through Google Play Store, and therefore I'll open my Play Store and then search for Adobe Photoshop. And here we go. Here is my Adobe Photo Editor app. And as you can see, we have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of this app. To update it, go ahead and tap on Update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of this Photoshop Express app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the installation is done, now you can proceed and open it to start using this latest version. So that's how you can update your Photo Express app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.